Getting to know Edmonton. What is a landmark? A landmark is an important building or place. Today, we'll talk about some important Edmonton landmarks. What building is this? This is the Legislative Assembly of Alberta, or the Ledge. The government of Alberta meets here. What building is this? This is Edmonton City Hall. The City of Edmonton government meets here. What building is this? This is the University of Alberta, the U of A. Adult students learn and get degrees here. What building is this? This is MacEwan University. Adult students learn and get degrees and learn practical trades here. What building is this? This is NAIT. Adult students learn practical trades here. What building is this? This is the Royal Alberta Museum. People see interesting or old things here. What building is this? This is the Art Gallery of Alberta. People look at art here. What building is this? This is the Citadel Theatre. People watch plays here. What building is this? This is the Winspear Center. People listen to music here. What building is this? This is the Moutart Conservatory. People grow plants inside here. What building is this? This is the Hotel MacDonald. People stay overnight here. What park is this? This is Edmonton's River Valley. People enjoy nature here. What bridge is this? This is the Walterdale Bridge. People cross the river here. What building is this? This is Rogers Place. People play and watch hockey here.